Hi, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about another project. But before that, this content is for informational and educational purposes only. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions. So without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, this is the new Bybit event. Referral League, invite friends to deposit $100 and win your share of 200,000 XAUT. This will be on April 1, 2026. So, disclaimer guys, this is a general announcement. Products and services referred to here may not be available in your region. Please refer to T&C for more details. The referral league is live. Refer friends to Bybit and win your share of a prize pool that grows up to 200,000 XAUT. The more the community refers, the bigger the pool and the bigger your share. The top 500 referrers win OPT in now before the campaign ends. So the event period is on April 1, 2026. The time is 10 a.m. UTC, and April 30, 2026, the time is 11:59 UTC. So how to participate? Just click here. So this is the website. How it works. Register. Click the Join Now button to register for the event. A minimum of 2 referrals is required to qualify for rewards. And invite friends. Share your referral link. A referral counts when your friends sign up and deposits a total of $100 within 7 days. Your friend receives a $10 reward issued as a bonus or fee saver. More referrals, more rewards. Every referral earns you 1 point. The top 500 referrers will share the prize pool, which grows as the community refers. This shows how the prize pool grows, and this is your potential rewards. The higher you rank, and the more the community refers, the bigger your reward. So this is the chart. From 200 to 500, you will get. So this is the leaderboard. A minimum of 2 successful referrals is required to qualify for reward. So guys, if you want to know more about Bybit, just subscribe to my channel and stay updated.